consumers, at the end of the day, don't really care what the technology is behind the service that they're looking for. They want the network to be always available. They want their texting to be reliable, to get there within seconds. They want the tariff plan suited to their lifestyle.
The challenge, therefore, is to continue to try to go and keep up with the very tight and heavy competitive environment we're in by promoting new services, innovating upon these services, introducing new things to the marketplace that will keep their interest and will keep them trying to communicate with each other.
And so the ability to create product very quickly, very cost-effectively, tailored to suit a much smaller segment of the market, I think is going to be the key element moving forward. Globe is a leading telecommunications company in the Philippines. We have the #2 position in the wireless industry here with about 25 million subscribers today. We have a revenue base of about $1.3 billion and operate on the 2G, 3G, and even WiMAX frequencies for broadband.
The competitive environment here in the Philippines is incredible. We launch a service, the competitor launches a service 2 weeks later. The competitor launches a new service, we have to match it within 2 weeks. So it's really, you know, one after the other rapid fire type of promotions, and that's the kind of environment we work in.
The thing that we did at Globe is really make sure we understood where we were trying to go. I think when that happens, when everyone buys into that long-term vision, I think everything else falls into place. And that's the thing we did at Globe.
If I was to do it all over again, in the very beginning of this project, there was a lot of consensus that I was trying to reach. I was trying to get too many people to agree, and that didn't work at all. And what was necessary was somebody to simply pick up the ball and take it forward. And that's what worked. Because it's far more comfortable to stay within the silo, within the monolithic structure that you belong to, and not mess with other people's business internally. And at the end of the day, you need to champion the cause. You must have the conviction to stand alone if that's what it would require in order to take the project forward. Project Toolbox is an initiative that we started 3 years ago. It's the ability to reuse and find new use to what it's already invested in. The ability to create a horizontal layer above existing assets and be able to compose new services from them. Leveraging one part of the network's capabilities and then composing it together and rearranging it with another part of the IT infrastructure, delivering a brand new innovative service. IBM has a core competency in understanding its partners' needs. By understanding the business problem, by understanding the business requirements, they're able to provide me and enable me with the kind of help that I needed. More so, it was not local, neither was it regional. It was actually really mobilizing the global resources of IBM, and for this, Globe is very thankful. What used to take about 2 months, 3 months in application development is done in practically hours. Testing is shorter. What used to take a month, 2 months in testing can be achieved in a couple of weeks. So what used to be an aggregate total of 4 months, 5 months, 6 months development can be achieved inside of 30 days. This rapid application development environment, it really has given us a great deal of new and exciting capabilities to launch new services.